Join Ayo and Lila as they step into the enchanting world of Disney. First stop, the whimsical Dumbo ride. Look, it's Mickey and Minnie. Next, they dive into the splash-tastic adventures at Splash Mountain. Time to meet Princess Elsa and Anna. Off to explore Toy Story Land. An unforgettable lunch with delightful treats. As the sun sets, the magic continues during the fireworks show. What a day! Ayo and Lila can't wait to return. Love Ayo and Lila's adventures? Don't miss out on more magical moments. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications so you never miss their next incredible journey. Share this with friends who love Disney magic, and drop a comment telling us where Ayo and Lila should explore next. More amazing adventures are coming soon. Join the fun!